You're going to open the Photos app and simply choose the photo you want to convert. For example, I want to choose this photo here, so I tap on it. I have the photo I want to turn into a PDF. What am I going to do now? I'm going to tap here on the share icon. These options will open up. You scroll down and tap on the print option. You come to this page, and on this page, you tap the share icon again. It's really simple, and that's it. What do you do now? Tap to send it by email. By tapping to send it by email, it will automatically be in PDF format, okay? I'll tap it to show you. There, I tapped. And as you can see, the photo will be attached here as a PDF. I'm going to tap here to send it. I'll send it to one of my own accounts. Done. I've entered the recipient. Now I tap the arrow sending. Wait a moment, sent. So I've converted that photo into a PDF, okay? I'm back here. Let me show my email now that this photo has been converted into a PDF. All right, guys? Here's the message that was sent. The photo is already here as a PDF. If I tap it, I'll tap it to show you. It will open the photo as a PDF, guys, as you can see. Now I can tap share and simply tap here to save it to files, okay? So that's how you convert a photo to PDF on the iPhone. I hope this helped. If it did, subscribe to the channel.